Hundreds of runners running with purpose, inspiring change with every step. Welcome to Run for Nature IMIP 2026.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes.
Persiapan saya untuk dalam satu minggu bervariasi. Ada program long run, kegiatan, temporan, dan interval. Harapan saya untuk event ini semoga tahun depan lebih baik lagi dan sukses.